Well, just you can see this time that was another aeroplane that we saw earlier on anyway, but as you can tell that was the well, technically that was the second. I think that was the first ultralight one that we've seen anyway, which basically is, it's more like the ultralight one to me anyway, but you know. But as you can see, this was the Evektor EV-97 Eurostar we've just seen anyway, which as you can see the registration is G-XIXI apparently. So yeah, as you can see this is the ones from R&S Cold anyway. Basically the ones we saw from the Merlin Mark II as we did see earlier on anyway. So yeah, basically this is the aeroplane, this is the one that's based at Cold anyway. But as you can see that's just took off from Bodmin Airfield just after 3:05 anyway. So yeah, just took off just around 3:30 anyway. So around 3:30 saw the time it took off anyway, just after 3:30 anyway. From where it's been to today, he's been visiting over Bodmin Airfield today anyway. And that is the Evektor EV-97 Eurostar, that is anyway, with the registration G-XIXI apparently. So yeah, this is the one that's based at Cold anyway. So yeah. Okay, so yep, and as you can see, the height flew now it's just around, probably probably under 1,800 feet from here anyway. To where we saw it, just flew under 18,000 feet from here anyway. But as you can tell today, there's been a lot going on today apparently, because you know there's quite a few planes and helicopters around today anyway. So yeah, there's quite a few around today apparently, but not much. But obviously not as much as what we saw from last week anyway. So yeah, it's not as much as what we saw from last week anyway, around my place in Penryn anyway. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, but as you can see, the EV-97 Eurostar is now heading back to its base at R&S Cold now anyway, which I think that was the one we saw earlier on anyway, which that was the plane where we did see earlier on anyway. So yeah, but as you can see, it's now heading back to its base at R&S Cold anyway. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.